Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mugisha. Welcome if you're new here and welcome back if you've been here before. Today we're going to be doing a box braid maintenance video. I'm going to be showing you what I do to take care of my box braids, so stay tuned. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be using a spray bottle. There's just water in here. This is an old spray bottle. I'm going to be using my wild growth oil to moisturize my scalp. I'm going to be using my leave-in conditioner to go ahead and moisturize the length of my hair within the braids. And you can also have another oil of choice to go over top the leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to be using this. You can go ahead and use whatever products you feel necessary, but I'm just going to be showing you guys what I do with my hair personally. I've separated my hair into two parts, one on top over here, and then I separated the back into two more sections. So far I've already sprayed my hair. You want to spray the length of your hair, and then you want to go ahead and squeeze that water in. If you need to go in with more water, go ahead. Then I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to put that also where my hair is. Then I'm going to take my oil, just about a dime-sized amount. You don't need too much. And I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze that into my hair as well. And guys, I'm only focusing on the parts where my actual hair is. Ladies, it's so important to keep your hair moisturized in braids. You don't want to just get braids and leave it alone for long periods of time, because your hair is going to be so dry by the time you take it out, and then it's so counterproductive to your the actual reason as to why you put your hair in box braids in the first place. You want to protect your hair, make sure that it's taken care of. Alright, so I'm already done with the back, so I'm going to go ahead and section this off so I can go ahead and start on the front, so you guys can get a closer look as to what I did. So I'm now going to go in with my leave-in conditioner, like I did with the back. Really want to make sure you get in that leave-in conditioner into your hair. I already pre-moisturized my hair before I put it in braids, which is very important. But I like to do this at least once a week to make sure my hair is still getting moisturized. And I'm going back in with the oil. literally how I moisturize my hair, and that's the first step to my routine. The next thing I like to do is I like to go ahead and use my wild growth oil. I'm just gonna go ahead and insert a picture of it just because it's not focusing, but then I just go ahead and use this on my scalp. I like to use this at least 3 times a week. Like I said earlier, I do my moisturizing method with my braids once a week. Once I've gotten all the wild growth on my scalp, I like to go in with my Vanity Planet massage brush, and I just go ahead and massage my scalp for like 5 to 10 minutes. I like to do this 3 times a week with the oil. So once I finish massaging my scalp with my brush, that's when I go ahead and call it a day, and I'll wrap my hair up for the night. So I normally just wear my hair in a scarf. I'll show you guys how I wrap my scarf for my braids. So if you have any type of scarf, this is a satin scarf. I literally put it over top of my hair like this. Tie it in the back. Bring this forward. Make sure all my hair is in. Put it over my edges as well. And guys, that is literally it, and that's how I take care of my box braids. And in the morning, if I need to take a shower or anything, I'll literally just put my hair up in a bun while it's in this scarf, and I'll tie it away. And this is how I keep my braids from getting wet. So yeah. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is literally all I do to go ahead and moisturize my box braids. It's very simple, very easy. Please let me know down below if this video helped you. If you guys learned something new, please like, comment, and subscribe, and come back for the next video. Bye guys!